Hello, dear friends, the members of Nani city. Here is your friend Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, a permanent resident of the Nani estate in Bibinagar, Telangana, India. Dear friends, you see, this is in my background all India Institutes of Medical Sciences. And if I turn my camera towards little east side, in the northeast corner you will find a beautiful lake, Bibinagar Lake, that is adding the beauty and the glamour of this wonderful Nani city. You can see that lake, beautiful, lot of water, and in between you can see there is a very tall tower of a statue of Sai Baba. Beloved friends, these are some of the features being added. Another great thing has come to Nani city in the neighborhood is the Hyderabad Ring Road. Just it is something, exactly I tell you, the toll booth is 16 kilometers from the center of the Nani city, the office. And already we have got Warangal highway. There is also a junction here, Bibinagar railway station. This is a well-connected city, so I appreciate the developer, my beloved godfather, Honorable Colonel Rangarao, who has been very visionary leader. And there is a lot of scope for the expansion of this Nani city. If you look in this corner, that is your southwest. There are thousands and thousands of acres of land. They are barren, they are hilly, or they belong to some of the Raitus or farmers. They are not using at all. So there is a lot of scope for expansion of this Nani city. And that's why the vision of Colonel Rangarao, in between you can find there are a lot of land belonging to the government, belonging to so many other stakeholders, but it has a lot of future. That's why Colonel Rangarao sir told this is the Chandigarh of South, and the beautiful planning of the city is also very great. You can find 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers roads straight. It is not a zigzag, it is a well-planned city. At that time, the roads were not 100 feet wide, but definitely the main road which is connecting Mittur to the Bibinagar, that is 80 feet wide road. And there you will find several roads which are near about 60 feet wide road, 30 feet wide road, 40 feet wide road. So it is a well-planned city. It is a wonderful place. But as the owners of these plots mostly are from defense or from the civilians, they just did investment for appreciation of their value of the land. But unless you do some kind of creativity, some kind of construction activities I did, there is very little chance that your land will have appreciation. In the neighbors, you can see just there, Bambino, Vermicelli. The Bibinagar town is coming closer and closer. It has already come to the border of Nani city. You see the beautiful town of Bibinagar is coming closer and closer. And there the rate is 30,000 near the railway station where there is a mosque. If you come further, it goes on decreasing. But even at the border of this Nani city, Bibinagar town, the value of the land is going 10,000 per square yard to 15,000 per square yard. So beloved customers and the developers, you did great job. You gave land in the forms of plots with proper planning, and the customers should really take advantage of it. They are sleeping. Very few people are now arising from their dormant state of morbid lethargy. They are dreaming that, oh, once upon a time they have a plot in Nani city, because the All India Institute of Medical Sciences and all these development done by the successive governments has inspired them, and I really appreciate it. So dear plot owners, please come, unite together, and make a proposal to the developer, Honorable Colonel Rangarao, and worthy son of the great patriot soldier, Mr. Gokul. They are very kind and generous person. They will help us, and we can really do wonderful job. Security is a major threat here. You see here, you will find early in the morning, hundreds and hundreds of the villagers from neighboring villages will come here, and they will start doing cycling, motorbiking, car driving, and they pollute this wonderful city. Now you will find some of the people who want to learn motor car driving or anything, they just come and move around here and there, That is hurting me. I'm your chief constable here, but no power. Even Mr. Gokul do not treat me as his best friend. He thinks I'm allied with the villagers, but this is not truth. Somebody gave him the opinion, but I'm a non-aligned person. I stay in the forest, and I am a saint, Fakir, Yogi Virendra Yogi. I love everyone, I respect everyone, because my philosophy is, जग में बैरी कोई नहीं जो मन शीतल होए, ये आपा तू डाल दे दया करे सब कोई, कबीरा खरे बाजार में मांगे सबकी खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से वेर. A wise man believe in love, affection, kindness and compassion. But a wise man, because I am yogi, the greatest Yadi yogi and Yadi guru was Shiv Shambhu Har Har Mahadev. I am a disciplined man. I am a soldier. I am a warrior. I am not a timid man. I want discipline. Discipline is good for everyone. Discipline in Narni city, discipline in this state, and discipline in the Indian nation. Indisciplined people can ruin the nation. Indiscipline means cattle. In this world, broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a drum-driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. I am a hero. And Rangarao sir is hero. And Gokul is hero. And all the plot owners, sisters and brothers, you are also hero. Unite and make the dream project of Colonel Rangarao, real Chandigarh of South. Everywhere you find on the posters, you also found on the demarcating stones, Chandigarh of South. And I say, this is heaven on earth. But words does not mean anything. Action only can tell exactly what is what. First is a wonderful gate to be created near the Bombino, which has become a real road. All the employees of this city come through Bibinagar, near Bombino, backside, Sriram Drug Factory in Bombino. There is a chicken neck, a narrow passage, and they use that land. That land belongs to me. Here is a tennis center here. I have given some 200 square yard land so that I can come and all the employees of Narni city can come inside. But why they are not making gate there? In the night, lot of boozers comes. I am fortunate that they are not my enemies. They do not attack me. I appeal to the developer and the plot owners. We should unite together and first create safety. I am your soldier, but without guns, without arms, I am a hero. But if they attack me, what hell I can do? Rangarao sir has got some innocent children as their soldiers, not even lathi in their hand. Shadows, pseudo. They can't defend anything. So really, the bottom line, this is a wonderful project, real Chandigarh of South, heaven on earth. The plot owners should be sincere and really be loving Narni city, because Narni city has given one of the best opportunity for them to create their houses, the beautiful homes, which can really give them immense pleasure for their coming generation to generation. This is going to be a beautiful place for everyone, not only for Indians, but from people abroad all over. But we should secure it. We should make it a safe haven. We should make a real Chandigarh of South, not in words or on the paper, but in reality. This soldier salutes all of you, specifically to all my friends who trust me, including Colonel Rangarao, Mr. Gokul, and trust me, I am your true friend. I am very honest and very sincere and a great warrior, not a timid coward, not a dual character, because I believe in वैष्णव जन. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए पीर पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे जो मन अभिमान न आने रे. सहज लोक में सहुने बंदे निंदा न करे केनी रे, बाच काच मर निश्चर लाके धन धन जननी तेनी रे. समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागी काम क्रोध निवारा रे, समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागी पर स्त्री जेनी मात रे. जीवा थकी असत्य ने बोले परधन न उधाले हाथ रे. मोह माया व्यापे नहीं जेनी दृढ़ वैरागी जिनी मन मारे. मोह माया व्यापे नहीं जेनी दृढ़ वैरागी जिनी मन मारे. राम नाम सु तानी लागी सकल तीरथ तीन तन मारे. वन लोभी थे कपट रही छे छल प्रपंच से दूर. ट्रू मैन, ए ट्रू सोल्जर लाइक कर्नल रंगाराव. वी आर ब्रदर्स, वी आर फॉट फॉर द मदरलैंड. वन लोभी से कपट रही छे काम क्रोध निवारा रे. भन नरसैयो तेन दर्शन करता, भन नरसैयो तीन दर्शन करता, कुले को तीन तारे. आई एम दैट मैन. Try to understand me. I am this. I am not have a dual character. What I am your servant. I am your chief's constable, but give me a security gate. I will be standing and defending the campus. Where is the security gate? People are driving cars, making chaos, doing everything. And the innocent guards, what hell can do? They don't even have a lathi in their hand. And all are old, nearing 60, 70, 80, 100. Thank you, viewers.